Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Gina and this channel is all about fashion. In today's video, we're going to talk about the various ways to style the different body shapes. Now, if you have not watched the video where I talked about how to identify your body shape, do watch check out that video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Starting off with the various body goals. Each body shape has a fashion goal that they're trying to achieve. So the first body shape we'll address today is the rectangular body shape. For this body shape, the fashion goals are: 1. To achieve the illusion of curves, 2. To achieve a balanced figure, and 3 is to achieve a proper waist definition. We're going to be breaking down the various kind of styling clothing to wear for each body shape. So first thing I'm going to address is the kind of tops you should wear. For somebody who has a rectangular body shape, the kind of tops you should wear are wrap tops, belted tops, crop tops, empire waist tops. These types of tops help to define your waist and bust. Before we move on, please know that you are free to wear whatever you want to wear. Nobody should restrict you to some certain kind of clothing. Like I said in my previous video, this series or these lessons are just to make you understand better what would suit your body type the most, so you know better, because you learn every day, baby girl. And if you feel like, okay, what she's saying, I don't really want to follow it, or I don't really think that I would like this kind of clothing, baby girl, wear whatever you want to wear. But for somebody who wants to up their fashion game this year, then this video is for you. For the kind of skirts that look best on a rectangular body shape, you should look towards skirts like bubble skirts, layered skirts, ruffled skirts, A-line skirts, flared skirts. These skirts helps to give your waist a proper definition and also adds volume to your hip area, which is what you are trying to achieve. For the kind of jeans that you should wear for somebody who has a rectangular body shape, you should look at jeans like clothes, boot cut jeans, wide leg jeans. These jeans help to give your lower body a little bit more shape. The kind of clothing you should avoid with somebody with this kind of rectangular body shape are tight dresses that just fit too tight. They're usually unflattering because you have a body that has identical width throughout, which gives you a more straight shape. So you want to avoid anything that would make it more obvious. Also try and avoid tops with a square neckline. They make you look more straighter, especially if you have a broad shoulder. Avoid straight cut jeans except if you're going to be wearing a top that has volume on the top. Moving on to the inverted triangle body type, the fashion goals for the inverted triangle body types are to create a balance between the upper body and the lower body, because if you watch my previous body, you will know that for the inverted triangle, the upper part of their body is usually more fuller than the lower part of their body. So the first styling goal is trying to balance the upper body with the lower body. So the second fashion styling goal is to create a defined waist and bust while adding emphasis on the lower part of the body, which is the hip region. For the kinds of tops that go well with this body type, which is inverted triangle body type, we have wrap tops. Now, it is advisable to wear wrap tops that hit just below the hip point to give the illusion of a fuller and wider hip. Basically, wear tops that gives your waist more definition, or you can always define your waist with a belt. Low cut necklines like a v-neck or a strapless top helps to show off your neck, which is usually a slim part of your body. So for skirts, you should lean towards skirts like A-line, bubble skirts, flared skirts, as they help to give the illusion of a wider hip. Don't be afraid to use bold textures of skirts and trousers because they help to create illusion of fuller hips. For this body shape, it is advisable to wear light colors at the bottom as it tends to draw attention to that place and away from your upper half. Moving on to trousers, the kind of trousers that go well with this body type are wide leg jeans, baggy shorts, and cargo pants. And if you are choosing to wear dresses, don't be afraid to show off some leg, because that is your asset right there, baby girl. So that's basically what it's all about. Avoid tops with layered fabrics. It just adds more volume to your upper half, and that is not what we want. The attention is to bring volume to your lower half. Also, avoid exaggerated shoulders. For example, tops or dresses that have maybe a shoulder padding or voluminous sleeves. They just tend to make your upper half look even more wider, which is not what we're trying to achieve here. Also, it's advisable to avoid skinny jeans, but if you must wear skinny jeans, at least wear a top that would add volume to your hips. For example, the peplum tops that hits just below your hip point. Please, I would like to apologize in advance because I want to take just a minute of your time. Please do well to like this video. Liking the video would tell the algorithm that this video is beneficial, so it can push it for others to view. Please also subscribe to my channel. I need it, so I'll give you 10 seconds to like this video and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, 10 seconds, I'm waiting. Have you done it? Click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, subscribe. All right, thank you very much. So the next body shape that we're going to be talking about is the apple body shape, or what we refer to as the round body shape. So for this body shape, your styling goals are to conceal the belly, because people with this body shape tend to gather weight in their belly region, to deflect attention from your mid region and create a more defined waistline. So wearing clothes that add curves and fullness to your lower body and narrows your top half help you achieve a balanced look. So for the kind of tops that you should lean to if you're somebody with an apple or a round shape, one, we have V-necks are flattering for somebody who has a round or a apple body shape. Also, tops like flare tops, peplum tops helps to add definition to your waist while giving the illusion of a fuller hip. Now remember that for somebody with this body shape, your goal is to conceal your mid region while creating a defined waist, and peplum tops do the trick. You can also choose to use belts on your top or dresses. Also, wrap tops and dresses do the trick for this body type, as it helps to conceal the mid region while giving you a defined waist. For skirts, you should lean towards skirts like trumpets, A-line, flare skirts, pleated skirts, asymmetrical dresses or skirts, as they help to define your waist and also add fullness to your hips. For trousers, wide leg jeans, boot cuts, baggy, flare jeans, straight jeans. Now if you're going to be wearing a straight jean, you know that a straight jean is mostly fitted, and for somebody who has this particular apple shape, your mid region is not something you want to show as fitted because it's reveal your stomach. So for somebody in this category, if you are wearing a straight jean, it's advisable to wear your top or your shirt on top, meaning that do not tuck in your shirt when you're wearing a straight jean. And of course, it is your choice. If you choose to tuck it in, baby girl, well done, okay? But this is just a guide, like I always say. But for the kind of clothing you should wear for somebody with an apple or round body shape, basically avoid dresses with no waist definition, and also avoid tight t-shirts and dresses. So the next body shape we're going to address is the hourglass shape. For this shape, the styling goals are basically to emphasize your waist more, because this body shape already has full hips, full bust, and sometimes a defined waist. So just basically wear clothes that emphasize more on your waist to give you that hourglass silhouette. So that's basically the styling goal for this body shape, and also to create a sophisticated silhouette, because people with this styling with this shape already have full hips and full bust and sometimes a defined waist. So creating a more defined waist for this shape is like making the hourglass more obvious. So basically for tops, any top can go with this body shape, as they are naturally blessed by God. They are God's favorites. Just joking. But for this body shape, you can basically wear any kind of top as long as it defines your waist, or if it doesn't, you could always use a belt to give your waist a more defined look. Also, you should lean towards wearing tops and dresses that helps to accentuate your hourglass. Bodycons are a great styling option for this body shape as it helps to give your body figure a more apparent look. Pencil skirts also help to flaunt your hips, but really, you could wear any skirt you so desire. Be it A-line, flared, asymmetrical, whatever it is, you can pull it off. So for jeans, you should lean towards straight jeans because they give you a more structured look. However, bell bottom and flared jeans also work. So for things that you should avoid big ruffles or bows in your fuller areas. It could add unwanted bulk to your shape. Wearing bulky clothes or layers around your slim areas could also make you look bigger than you are. If you have a fuller bust, avoid necklines that cover your neck like turtleneck, top, or dresses. Skirts that are too short will make you look heavier than you are. So the next body shape, which is the last body shape that we're going to be addressing today, is the triangular or the pear body shape, which is my category. Now for this body shape, the styling goals are to create a balanced look by adding more emphasis to your upper half and also maintaining a defined waistline. Now if you know this body type, you know that the lower part of your body is fuller than the upper part. So the kind of tops that go well with this body type, we have the off shoulder like what I am wearing right now. Both necklines or V neckline work well with this kind of frame because it shows off your slim neckline and equally slender shoulders. If you're somebody in this category who has slim shoulders, narrow shoulders, then you should lean towards clothing that have shoulder pads as they help to add more volume to your upper half and makes it more balanced with your hip region. But for somebody like me, I feel like my shoulders are not so narrow, so shoulder pads are not really a thing for me, but I can also pull them off if I want to. Now if you're somebody who is looking to move or lean towards a balanced look as somebody with a triangular body shape, then you should wear tops that add volume to your upper half, maybe tops that have details like pockets, embellishment, bows, or frills. Wearing tops that have bright colors help takes the attention away from your hips and to your upper part to create a more balanced look. Like I mentioned before with the inverted triangle body shape, for people like that, they ought to wear bright colors on the lower half as it tends to draw attention away from the upper part and towards their hip region. One golden rule for somebody with a pear shape is to always define your waist. Anything you're wearing, make sure your waist is defined because that is your market, really girl. That is your selling point. Your waist is what makes or breaks your outfit. If your waist is not defined, you can either look straight, too big, or too slim in fact. So for bottoms, for somebody with a pear shape, high-waisted skirts and jeans helps to draw attention away from your hip and towards your waist region. Skirts like A-line skirts and slightly full skirts that lay on your body without creating more volume helps to conceal your wider parts. For jeans, boot-cut jeans, tapered jeans, wide leg jeans, and jumpsuits also look great on this shape. Especially, you should avoid skirts and trousers that are too tight. This is what I've been able to come up with and things that I've done my research on and seen and understood that okay, for people who are trying to up their fashion game or edit their wardrobe, then I hope this video will be useful to you as well. I hope that you learned something from this video and you're able to take away something that will be beneficial to your life and to your fashion styling goals. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be dropping more videos about fashion styling, and also if you're somebody who is looking into joining the fashion industry, maybe as a designer, and you want to learn how to draft patterns, how to cut some clothing, how to cut, I am that person for you. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and I look forward to making more videos and educating you and impacting lives even more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.